Hi friends, and how are you doing today? Are you going to take your IELTS exam on 11th of November 2021? It is going to be the second exam of the November month after 6th of November. Many students took their exam on 6th of November after Diwali, which was not an easy thing, but you guys at least got another 4 or 5 days after Diwali to focus on your IELTS preparation once again. I want all of you who are going to take their IELTS exam on 11th of November, hit the comment section right now. Mention your name, location of the IELTS exam, LRW, where you are going to take the IELTS exam. And please mention whether it is going to be the morning or the evening slot. Another thing that I would really expect from you guys is that if you already had your IELTS speaking exam, please share your IELTS speaking interview experience with us. It would really help other students to get to know about that what cue cards and follow-ups and part 1 topic examiners are asking, and we will definitely update the IELTS speaking booster if anything is still missing in the IELTS speaking booster. For you, I would like to tell you one thing, that in case you haven't received your IELTS speaking slot yet, don't panic. They were on holidays, so soon they would be informing you about the same. In case you miss your speaking slot, get in touch with me and let's see if I could help you in any way. Now, since you are left with few days, so you should be practicing more and more. Don't give up that you have practiced enough and there is no need of practice for the next few days. Simply relax. Better if you relax after the exam, since you wouldn't be having anything to do after the exam. In fact, I personally recommend every student, even after the exam, continue your IELTS classes wherever you are taking, and if at home you want to practice, you can practice without joining an institute, but do not let yourself away from IELTS. And by any chance you don't get your expected result, you be in the preparation mode and you can instantly book your next day. Well, this is something that I don't want happen to any one of you, but how you should be utilizing the next few days is practice more and more listening tests. In recent exams, what I have noticed that students not been achieving good score in the IELTS listening. This is something where you can easily expect band 8, and why you are not getting band 8 is a question mark. So put more efforts. There are hundreds of videos on my channel on YouTube and on my application where you can find so many IELTS listening tests of IELTS exam level. Practice them. Make a habit of practicing at least 2 to 3 listening tests every day, and if you could score 8 in the listening, what else you want? And similarly for reading as well, you can practice more and more. At least make a habit of practicing 2 tests every day. For the next few days, go through different websites, and if you have purchased IELTS writing booster, go through each and every essay, task 1 and task 2, so that you are well prepared with the most expected writing tasks in the real IELTS exam. For speaking, you all know what you have to do is just carry a lot of confidence and speak very naturally in front of the examiner. Do not give up, answer each and every question, and keep all the ideas and tips and tricks related to speaking that I always share with you on your real exam day. Do not forget to carry the copy of your confirmation, copy of your passport, and your original passport. Without that, they won't let you sit in the examination hall. And I recommend, do not carry any additional material with you. Don't even wear a watch. Always keep them locked at a safe place, or maybe they offer you a place where you can keep, but better it would be you do not carry such things other than stationery and recommended things like passport and others. So this is pretty much all from my side in this video, my dear friend, and please let others know about this channel so that all of you, the 11th of November test takers, can join each other and find few friends to interact and share study material or real IELTS exam experiences if you have any. Thanks for watching the video. Bye-bye for now.